Hey, it's Dustin with Parts Doctor, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install the power cord for this GE dishwasher. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. When you purchase a new dishwasher, it usually does not come with a power cord. This gives you the option to either hardwire the dishwasher directly into the home's electrical supply or install a cord that plugs into a standard outlet. In today's video, we've elevated the dishwasher to show you exactly where the 3-wire power cord connects to the appliance. If you need to purchase a power cord, avoid cheap, low-quality aftermarket parts. For parts that perform better and last longer, choose OEM genuine parts like the ones we sell at PartsDoctor.com. We've included a link in the description below. Be sure to use the full model number from the tag on your appliance to find the exact part. Tools needed for this installation: a 1/4-inch nut driver or a Phillips head screwdriver. Exercise caution when completing this installation, as installing it incorrectly can cause electrical shock or damage. To install your new power cord, first locate the junction box on the bottom of your dishwasher. On this model, it is located on the right side near the front. If you need to remove the kick plate, remove the 2 fasteners from each side of the kick plate and set the kick plate aside. If the junction box cover is installed, remove it by unscrewing the fastener on the left side of the junction box and releasing the tab on the opposite side of the cover. Here you will see 3 connection wires. Straighten the wires and move them away from the hole in the back of the junction box. This power cord comes with a pre-installed plastic strain relief for ease of installation. Push the strain relief into the back of the junction box and be sure that it snaps into place. The strain relief keeps the cord secure so the wires and connections aren't damaged if the dishwasher is moved. The power cord has 3 stranded wires. Black is hot, white is neutral, and green is ground. The dishwasher has 3 solid wires, black, white, and green. Match color to color when making the connections. When connecting stranded wire to solid wire, be sure that the stranded wire is roughly 1/8 of an inch longer than the solid wire. Align the insulation on both wires and twist the stranded wire around the solid wire a couple times. Be sure to wrap the wires on the stranded wire clockwise, the same direction that you will tighten the wire nut. Once the stranded wire from the power cord is wrapped around the solid wire a few times, hold the wires close to the end of the insulation and start twisting on the wire nut. Turn it clockwise until tight. Repeat this on the other 2 wires by matching the colors of the wires and securing the connections with the wire nuts. Test the connection by pulling the wire nut to be sure it's on securely and holding the wires. Fold the wires and replace the junction box cover. Be sure all the wires are inside the cover and that the wires are not being smashed between the cover and the junction box. Slide the junction box cover tab into the slot on the right side of the junction box. Double check that the wires are securely inside the junction box and replace the screw that holds the cover to the junction box. Reinstall the kick plate and plug in the appliance. Your dishwasher is now ready to use. Alright, that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.